Good morning. Welcome to Radio Express. News reading by Anakha Saju. New Delhi is considering activating the Special Representative Mechanism on boundary talks. Under this, National Security Advisor Ajit Doyal could talk to his counterpart, China's State Councillor and Foreign Minister Wang Yi, with the sole objective of de-escalation and diffusing the situation along the line of actual control. India overtook Russia on Sunday evening to become the country with the third largest caseload of novel coronavirus infections in the world. Only the United States and Brazil now have more infections than India. While Russia currently has a little over 6.8 lakh cases, India's total caseload has gone past 6.97 lakhs. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu on Sunday said that the Prime Minister has given a call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is a mission to galvanize the force of growth across the country in various sectors. He added that innovation is the watchword for the 21st century. He was speaking at an online event to launch Elements, a new social networking app which is one of the first homegrown social media apps to emerge in the Indian market since the ban of 59 Chinese apps. The morale of the Indian Armed Force is very high, and the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Ladakh last week and his address to troops have raised the morale of the forces at the border, said S.S. Deswal, Director General, Indo-Tibetan Border Police on Sunday amid the ongoing standoff with China on the line of actual control. He said armed forces personnel have sacrificed their lives in the line of duty in the past, and they are ready to dedicate their lives to the nation in the future as well. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued orders for blocking 40 websites of the US-based Sikhs for Justice, which has been banned under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The move comes after the government designated 9 more individuals as terrorists under the anti-terror law for their links to various separatist Khalistani groups. UN's Food and Agriculture Organization issued locust alert for India as the country has been tackling the worst locust attack in 26 years for the last 3 months. Rajasthan is the worst affected state in the country. The Indian government has stepped up efforts and is using latest technology and equipments such as drones and Bell helicopters to control the menace. 11 days after the Centre asked University Grants Commission to review its guidelines on final year university examinations, there is still no clarity for many anxious students across the country. While at least 7 states have cancelled their college and university examinations without waiting for the UGC's fresh guidelines, some private universities will continue to conduct online examinations even in these states. The subscription window for the government-run sovereign gold bond program, wherein the Reserve Bank of India issues bonds on behalf of the Government of India, is set to open for 5 days starting July 6th. After July 10th, the gold bonds will be open for purchase next in August and then in September. Thank you for being with us.
Radio Express.
Radio Express.